Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking battery health in Settings Battery so you know the baseline, note current percentage and any wear indicators. Next, turn off radios you don't need, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and GPS, because they constantly search and drain power. Reduce screen brightness to about 30% or enable auto brightness, and shorten screen timeout to 15-30 seconds. Once done, make sure Battery Saver is enabled if you need extra immediate savings before moving to deeper optimizations. Now focus on app-level control because apps running in background are the main culprits. Go to Settings Apps, view battery usage, and force stop or restrict the heaviest apps. You'll want to limit background activity and disable auto start for anything non-essential. Uninstall or replace full apps with light versions when possible, and restrict background data for social and streaming apps. By tightening these settings, you both reduce CPU wake-ups and network traffic, which translates directly into longer real-world battery life. For final steps, make sure system software and apps are updated because optimizations and fixes can cut wastage. Turn on power saving mode and schedule it to kick in at 20 or 30%. If your Vivo has an OLED screen, enable dark mode to save display power. If you still see rapid drain, reboot the phone and test in safe mode to isolate a misbehaving app. And try a calibration cycle, full charge to 100, then discharge to near 0 once, to correct reporting errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.